Here are my three birds, Kili, Truman, and Santina! Truman is a more independent bird, likes to hang out and do his own thing. Kili and Santina are more alike. They're both female parrots and get more excited to hang out. The unlikely mix of the green Bucephalus and the red Ara. Kili is a Senegal parrot, Truman's a Cape parrot, Santina is a green-winged macaw. Here's the big bird, and here's the little bird. Santina is such a cuddle bug. And Truman takes care of himself. Santina says, "More head scratches, please." Santina says, "Bye-bye." We'd like to thank Dr. Irene Pepperberg and Arlene Lovenrow for sending us a complimentary copy of the Life with Alex DVD, a memoir. It was a fascinating DVD and an interesting watch after reading both of Dr. Pepperberg's books and articles.
Very good. That's a good.
And I highly recommend it. This is Truman. This is my alternative to nonstick cookware. Truman, turn around. Very good. I'm Michael from TrainParrot.com and I'm visiting the Oasis Sanctuary. This is Gene.